Hey guys, today we're installing a rooftop tent and a pickup. But of course, there's a twist. We've got no power at the workshop, so we're running everything with a generator. Oh, and we've got a tiny special guest today, my little boy, Sean. And we finally got it done.